Welcome to AndroIndian. In today's session, we explore how value delivery systems connect strategy to execution in modern organizations. Understanding this connection is vital for any professional looking to drive real impact in their career and organization. In today's competitive landscape, executing projects is not enough. You must deliver value that lasts. Organizations must ensure every initiative contributes directly to long-term strategic success and remains aligned with core goals. This is where the concept of a value delivery system becomes essential, acting as the bridge between vision and reality. A value delivery system integrates portfolios, programs, projects, products, and operations into one cohesive framework. Rather than isolated efforts, it treats all initiatives as interconnected drivers of value that support the business. At the portfolio level, leadership selects the right mix of work to achieve strategic objectives efficiently. Programs then group related projects together to achieve benefits that wouldn't be possible if managed individually. The project level focuses on the specific deliverables, where meticulous planning and execution come to life. During execution, teams work to turn plans into tangible results, using frameworks like Agile to stay responsive. Operations and product management then ensure that the value created is sustained and optimized over time. Consider the development of India's massive metro networks as a prime example of a complex value delivery system. The strategy was urban mobility. The execution required seamless coordination across thousands of projects and operations. Similarly, the UPI ecosystem illustrates how a cohesive framework can transform an entire nation's economy. Artificial intelligence is now enhancing these systems, providing predictive insights and optimizing resource allocation. Finally, monitoring and closing ensure that we measure success and learn for future initiatives. At AndroIndian, we believe in empowering professionals with the strategy and tools needed for excellence. A true value delivery system is not just a process, it's a strategic mindset that links every action to a purpose. Start viewing your projects through this lens today and watch how your impact grows across your organization. Visit AndroIndian.com for more insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and project management content. Thank you for joining us. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.